Good morning, all of you. So, we were discussing the reaction of alkyl halide with primary amine, in which the methyl primary amine reacts with the methyl iodide and gives you the formation of dimethyl amine, which in further step reacts with the hydrogen iodide, which is found in the reaction, and gives you the formation of dimethyl ammonium iodide, which is a salt form. And so, it's further treated with the alkaline solution of sodium or sodium hydroxide solution, and this sodium hydroxide reacts with the dimethyl ammonium iodide and forms dimethyl amine, which is set free in this reaction. Then the preparation of amines from from alcohols. So here the alcohols, the mixture of it, alcohol reacts with the ammonia. Alcohol reacts with the ammonia in presence of alumina, and the temperature is set up to 400 degrees Celsius. So the vapors of alcohol and ammonia are passed over the alumina at 400 degrees Celsius, and it immediately gives you the formation of methyl amine. So here we are getting a mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary amines in this reaction. So here this primary amine further reacts with ammonia with alcohol. Primary amine reacts with alcohol and gives you the formation of secondary amine. Gives you the formation of secondary amine. So this is your methylamine, this is your dimethylamine, and further this dimethylamine reacts with the alcohol and forms the trimethylamine, that is the tertiary amine. Trimethylamine, that is the tertiary amine. And so in this way we are getting a mixture of this all three alcohols, three amines, primary, secondary, and tertiary amines, that is this trimethylamine. And so if you want to get any one of the product in excess, or to obtain a primary amine, to obtain the primary amine, the as a major product, alcohols are heated. Alcohol is heated with excess of ammonia, with excess of ammonia, and we get the formation of primary amine. And this excess of ammonia and the mixture of alcohol is passed over the alumina. And so here this is the method in which we get a mixture of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. Then the third method for the preparation of the amines is by the preparation of amines by reduction process. Preparation of amines by reduction process. Now here in the reduction process, we are here the reducing reagents like hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, or palladium, or then the sodium in ethanol, or we can use lithium aluminum hydride. And so the different types of methods are there. And so here the reduction of the different types of compounds is being carried out. So the first, that is the reduction of nitroalkanes. Reduction of nitroalkanes. So nitroalkanes on reduction with nickel or platinum, that is your CH3NO2, on reduction with platinum or nickel and hydrogen. Here this nitromethane nitromethane on reduction with platinum or nickel in presence of hydrogen, we get the formation of methylamine. Methylamine. And here plus H2O, twice H2O. So in this way, the reduction is being carried out. So here C2H5 nitroethane. So nitroethane can also be reduced by using the different type of reducing agents, that is lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 in presence of ether, gives you the formation of ethylamine, that is C2H5NH2, and H2O is set free. So in this way we are getting the formation of the amines, primary amines, from by the reduction of primary nitroalkanes to get the primary amines. Then the second method is the reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitriles. So the nitriles, that is CH3C triple bond N, that is the methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide on reduction in presence of nickel or platinum. Hydrogen, addition of hydrogen in presence of nickel or platinum is your reduction process, in which we get the formation of ethylamine. So ethylamine, ethylamine. In the same way, the ethyl cyanide, ethyl cyanide, this on ethyl cyanide on reduction by using lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether will give you the formation of propylamine, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2, that is propylamine is obtained in this reaction. So here the reduction by of the different types of compounds like your nitroalkanes, nitriles, then the isonitriles, isonitriles, the third reduction of isonitriles. Here isonitriles gives you the formation of secondary amines. It gives you the formation of the secondary amines, in which this C2H5 N triple bond C, here this is your plus and minus, this is ethyl isocyanide, ethyl isocyanide, and this on reduction with hydrogen in presence of platinum gives you the formation of C2H5NH CH3. Here we get ethyl methyl amine, ethyl methyl amine. So here the secondary amine which we are going to get is your always a methyl group. A CH3 group will be there in from one side, and then we can get, means this is the group which has been reduced, that is NC. So the C which is present in this isocyanide group, that is the C, is converted into methyl group, and here we get methyl, ethyl methyl amine. So here if we are having, that is the CH3CH2 CH2, that is propyl cyanide, isocyanide, propyl isocyanide. So propyl isocyanide will give you the formation of the amine, secondary amine. So this is your secondary amine. Here this carbon will be converted into methyl group. So it will be your CH3CH2 CH2 NHCH3. So here this will become your methyl propyl methyl propyl amine, methyl propyl amine, and this is also the secondary amine. And so in this way we get the amines from isonitriles. Then from reduction of oximes, reduction of oximes. So oximes are the compounds which are obtained from the aldehydes or ketones, and these oximes are reduced and gives with the lithium aluminum hydride and gives you the formation of the primary amines. So here CH3 CH3 double bond O. So we have studied the reaction of aldehydes and ketones with the derivatives of ammonia, and in which oxime is obtained from the hydroxyl amine. So this is your hydroxyl amine. So our starting compound is oxime. Oxime is obtained by the reaction of a ketone, that is acetone with hydroxyl amine, gives you the formation of double bond NOH. This is your oxime, and the name of this oxime is acetone oxime. Acetone oxime. And so this acetone oxime on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether will give you the formation of CH3 CH3, then here CHNH2. So this is your isopropyl amine. Isopropyl amine. So here we are getting the formation of a primary amine. So isopropyl amine is your primary amine which is obtained in this reaction. Then the next reduction method, that is the reduction of amides. Reduction of amides. So here amides are the compounds that is having the general formula, that is RCONH2, and here you will get CH3 C double bond O NH2, that is acetamide, and this acetamide on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, we get the formation of primary amine, means this carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group. So here you will get CH3 CH2 NH2. So here we get the formation of ethylamine. Ethylamine, that is your primary amine is obtained in this reaction. And if instead of acetamide, if N substituted amides, means that is your CH3 C double bond O NHCH3 N methyl acetamide. Okay, N methyl acetamide, N methyl acetamide. This on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether will give you the formation of a CH3 CH2 NHCH3, that is ethyl methyl amine. So here we are getting the formation of a secondary amine, ethyl methyl amine, and this gives you the secondary amine, primary secondary. And in the same way we can synthesize a tertiary amine also. We can synthesize a tertiary amine also. So here if it is NN dimethylamine, NN dimethylamine, amide, acetamide, NN NN dimethyl acetamide, acetamide on reaction with lithium aluminum hydride undergoes reduction to form the tertiary amine. Here the CH3 CH2 NCH3 CH3. So here we are getting a formation of a tertiary amine, that is your dimethyl ethylamine, dimethyl methyl ethylamine. which is a tertiary amine. So in this way, by using the different reducing methods, the reduction processes, we can synthesize the primary amines, secondary amines, and the tertiary amines also. Then the reductive amination method of aldehydes and ketones. Then the sixth, that is the reductive amination of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. Here, primary amines are obtained by passing aldehydes and ketones with hydrogen and ammonia over nickel catalyst at a high temperature, which goes to the formation of the imine. That is, the aldehydes or ketones with hydrogen in presence of nickel. So here aldehydes on reaction with ammonia in the first step will liberate a water molecule and will form the intermediate, that is imine, in this way. So it first of all forms imine and then it is heated along with hydrogen and nickel. So here we get the formation of RCH2 and H2, that is the primary amine. Sorry, here it's aldehyde, so here it's H, and so we are getting the primary amine. So aldehydes are giving you this. So here the secondary amines can be prepared. So this gives you the formation of primary amines. So secondary amines can be prepared from the aldehydes by treating with primary amine. By treating with primary amine. And with primary amine, it will form first of all the imine, that is RCH double bond N R1. Here we will take it as R1. And so this imine is obtained. And this imine, on further reaction with hydrogen and nickel, that is reduction, is carried out, and you will get RCH2 NHR1. So this is your secondary amine, RCH2 NHR1. So here the hydrogens are getting added across the carbon nitrogen double bond of the imine, which is the intermediate. And for the tertiary amines, the aldehydes are allowed to react with secondary amine, that is your R1 and R2. So here minus H2O will give you the formation of imine RCH double bond N R1 and R2, and here you will get the positive charge on this imine, and this on reduction in presence of hydrogen and nickel will give you the formation of RCH2 N R and this R1 and this R2. So here the nitrogen is attached to three alkyl groups,